think from a manufacturer's hat. So those of you who are suppliers to manufacturers may understand the other side of the coin and see why some pressures are coming here. And what we can learn from technology and apply it to the manufacturing world, and see how the impact is quite different in the two worlds. What technology has done for some companies. And when we listen to them, then probably we have the confidence that yes, it can do. It's not only in the theoretical space, but it's also very much down to earth, very much delivering results which we anticipate and which we expect technology to deliver. It would be sort of the journey I will take you through. And since the journey starts with music, let me recollect one of the overwhelming impressions I had when I saw my first Broadway show in New York. It was a musical with Daniel Radcliffe, so master of magic, Harry Potter series. So this was a musical. It was a huge 100-team, huge site. I don't know if you have the opportunity to look at Broadway. It's like a 10-story stage. Everywhere, all animation and a lot of coordination, lighting. The whole thing is run at such a fast pace and so well synchronized that the whole experience at the end of it is overwhelming. You feel, oh, what an experience it was. And all your senses are sort of numb. Now to me, what it epitomized was excellent planning. Without planning this entire orchestra, you cannot even think of doing something. The second is execution. So one is planning, very fine. Second is you have to execute it on the stage, on the day you are supposed to perform, and that needs great teamwork. Without teamwork, there is no way one could deliver such a performance. The other part is every actor had very clearly defined roles. Unless you know specifically when you should enter, what you should speak, when you should exit, this whole show would not function. There was a high degree of order in the way these various elements, these various actors combined together. So what it means was everything was predefined and it was a very detailed, scripted performance. So what has this got to do with manufacturing? Now if you see, who are the players in this whole thing? One was the audience. Now, the audience had very clear expectations of what to expect. So there were reviews, there was story, this is a story, the musician, these are the actors. So you know what to expect. You really can't influence that. You are observers. So the audience in this thing is outside. So they are observing, they are receiving. The lead actor, he is firmly in command. So he controls the entire show. He is the hero. The entire performance of the show depends on how well he performs on that day at that time. If he fails, the entire show flops. So that's the key to success. And in a way, he could also be a bottleneck. Because if that person fails, there is no standby. The whole show will collapse. And then there are the co-actors, people who come and out on the stage. Now they're important, of course, otherwise the picture is not complete. They are always followers. So they never hog the limelight.